Alright, I need to clean this bathroom. So I like to just kind of move this way to this way. Let's make sure I have everything though already out. I have my toilet bowl cleaner, got my shower cleaner, got my brush for the shower. That's perfect. I got Clorox wipes for this area, got Windex for my mirror, and I have paper towels. Awesome. I think that's all I'm gonna need. Alright, let's get to work. So, first thing I want to do is I just want to make sure I clean this mirror off. Perfect. It's looking a little dirty. I haven't done this in a while here. Alright. Perfect. Oops, I have a trash can right here. Now I can get my sink and everything. I'm actually going to put this away now that I'm done using it, just so I have a checklist of making sure that what I have out, what I need. Alright. Move that to the shower tub. Take my Clorox wipes. Good thing is my vanity already looks pretty clean. Just want to make sure I get it all wiped off really fast. Perfect. Get everything out of the sink. Also the backsplash. Kind of dirty sometimes. Alright. Now that I Clorox that looks really good. I can actually move right on over to my toilet with my toilet bowl cleaner. So I want to just kind of put a little bit of this in there. Also, I like to just read the directions and everything like that. Okay. So now that I have that in there, I can actually, it's really not that bad. The only thing that I do have is going to be right here. This is my toilet brush. So I'll go right there, scrub it all in, make sure I let that seed off. Get underneath that lid. And then I'm going to flush it and get all that stuff done. Put my toilet brush away. Perfect. We have a clean toilet. That done. Now I just have my shower left. So I know this direction just says the powers through soap, scum, grime, removes dirt. So perfect. I'm just going to spray a little bit on. That's where this brush comes in handy, just to make sure I get everything. I can kind of just brush it around. Alright, now that I brushed it, I'm actually going to rinse it off. So, the good thing about having a shower too is that it's not that I can rinse all the water down and all of that down. So now that I've used this, I'm going to put that back. I'm going to go back through with my paper towels just to make sure that I got any of the soap and all of that kind of off the wall. Yeah, let's see how much dirt I've gotten off. It's kind of satisfying when you see how much dirt and grime you can get off. paper towel. Get all that soap scum off and everything like that. Alright. It's looking pretty good. Got the tub all done. Scrub inside there. Alright. Shower looks really good. Toilet's clean. Got the vanity clean. Got my mirror all clean. I think we're all good in here. I have a clean bathroom. So I'll go ahead and put all of my tools away. So I had to use the scrubber, had to make sure I had the right spray, had to use some paper towels, some Clorox wipes. Perfect. We are all done in here.